hear the beautiful sounds of a dishwasher running? If you do, it is because the man I'm about to show you, Chad, take a heroic stance. The man I'm about to show you just fixed it. Heroic stance. Thumbs up. Okay, show me your muscles. Oh!
The shirt's hiding it, you know. Oh, jeez, Pete, Emily.
My man, my husband, after tearing this apart 3 times and listening to me whine and just piss and moan about this not working, he fixed the dishwasher. Again, this man right here.
Stop.
No, show me your muscles.
I don't have any.
He fixed the dishwasher. It's running right now. Hurrah! I love my man. Praise the Lord. I've got a good one.